This 2023 Shasta Phoenix X-Edition 355 FBX Phoenix is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Shasta is 42 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, stove top burner, oven, Colorado detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, external shower, LP detector, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Shasta Phoenix X-Edition 355 FBX Phoenix is 11,542 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.